Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Wolverine V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you buttons description. Firstly, let's take a look at the top of the controller. Here we've got two Hall effect sticks, D-pad, XYAB button, and on-off button. Press and hold this button for a few seconds to turn controller on or off. Next we've got view button, menu button, share button, and function button. Now at the bottom we've got headphones jack, and on the top we've got USB-C charging port, two M1, M2 buttons, two triggers and two bumpers. At the bottom of the controller we can find additional 4 paddles we can remap, and triggers, lock. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.